Okay, so we have them all out. Comes with the figure, marineford outfit with the yellow shirt and the red pants. It also comes with the little things at the back where it can like go up and down. And it also has battle damaging on it. So it comes with this happy faceplate, sad faceplate, kind of grumpy faceplate, and yelling face, along with this straw hat, which we will put on in a bit, and two gripping hands, and 2 released gripping hands, and 2 fist hands, which come with it. So, we're going to be reviewing the SHF Luffy. His arms can go up this high, like kind of like a T-pose, but not fully up. His best quality is the side, because he can turn fully around effortlessly. And he doesn't have really good ab crunch. Ooh, but somewhat good back bend. He has this butterfly joint. Good, kind of stiff, but good elbow. You can go up to here, on both arms. And stiff again, like wrist movement. Yeah, on both arms. So with the legs, it finally comes with a thigh swivel. So you can, swivel the thigh fully around. Oh, that doesn't look too good. Backwards like this. And if you have and how it bends like this depends on how far back you set this little piece. So you can have it like this, or you can kind of set it to something. Yeah, neck down goes really far. The neck down, and he can look up nearly. I'm pretty sure fully. Yeah, look down. You can look side to side. Let's get into the faces. Hat on. 2 fisting hands, soft open hand, 2 angry open hands. That's pretty much it for the SH Figuarts Monkey D. Luffy Marineford.